Assalamu alaikum class. I hope all of you are fine. So today is our first lecture of our practice book, okay, of this week. Now we will start from question number 8. So here the first question number 8 is the projectors is a place in 1 meter from the screen. Okay, the distance between these two is 1 meter. Okay, when the projector is turned on, the image produce only a 20 centimeter high. How far back should the projector be moved to produce an image that is exactly 1.5 meter in the height? Okay, so 20 centimeters means 0.2 meter. Okay, but he need 1.3 meter more. Okay, so assume that there is no adjustment are made to the projects. So first of all, what we will do in this place, okay, in this place, before this they are just putting 1 meter away. So once he was putting 1 meter away, so the distance is 20 centimeter. Now he want to put how much distance that he will get. He will make 150 centimeter, because 1.5 meter has 150 centimeter because of multiply by 100. First of all, you can divide these two numbers. Okay, so you will get how much more we need. Okay, what is the difference? Okay, so 150 divided by 20, that is equal to 7.5. Okay, so 7.5 multiplied by 1 meter, that is equal to 7.5 meter. So it is important that you need to put the screen or the projector 7.5 meter away from the projector. So how much more you will put backwards? 6.5, because say 7.5 is the total, but we need to put, because we already put 1 meter away, so 6.5 meter more we will put backward. Here, question number 9. Factory manager planned to install a new hot drink machine for the factory workers. He thought tea would be the most popular hot drink. The worker did a survey to check what the preferred hotlines was among them. Each person could choose one drink for hot chocolate, tea, or coffee. 8 women want hot chocolate. Total of 16 worker want a tea. Total of 16 worker want a tea, of which 7 were men's. Okay, there are total 16. 8 already wants a hot chocolate, and 7 of them they are just men. Out of 16, total are 16. So 7 men. So how many women? There are 9. So according to this. Uh, the 16 worker want tea. Okay, 10 men's and 12 women's choose coffee. There are 25 in men's in total. So was the tea was the most popular for the hot drink? So first of all, we just put all these data here like that, because there are 8 women who want hot chocolate, and there are 9 women that just want a tea. Okay, and there are 12 women that want a coffee. So the total women's number of women are 29. According to this, men's 8 men's want chocolate, 7 want tea, and 10 wants a coffee. So here are total 25. So once we total this, total number of people are 54. In these 54, 16s are hot chocolate, 16s are tea, and 22 are for just for coffee. Okay, so accordingly you will write solve it. Or so which one is most popular? That is not a popular. Why? Because you can see tea is only 16, hot chocolate is 16, but coffee is most popular. Okay, a ship sail. There is a ship sail that is 16.5 meter on the bearing of 270 degree, and then 15.5 kilometer due to south. What is the shorter distance back to where it started? So first of all, here he want to go. First he went here and then here. So from here to here, from straight and then south. Or let's suppose he start from the north. Okay, so first of all he will cover 17.6 kilometer. After that he will cover 15.4 kilometer. Okay, then he will reach his destination. So he said, is there any other shorter distance? Yes, by using a Pythagoras theorem. This one is a hypothesis. This one is the shortest distance of the triangle. So what is the distance? Let us find. Okay, first of all, the square of this number plus square of this number equal to the square of this. Okay, so that is d square. Okay, so once we find the answer, that is d. If we will remove this square, so we will put under root on other side, so you will get your answer, that is 23.39 kilometer. And 2 dp means after this we just write two decimal points, not more than two decimal point. Okay, now let's move on. Now, question number 11. Maria need to make a long distance journey. She is looking for a cheapest car hiring. HE vehicle has a standard charge of $35, 15 cents for every kilometer is driven. While his rentals has a charge of 23 cents per kilometer travel, but no standard charges. Complete the charge graph for both the hiring companies. Maria thinks to return the journey will 300 kilometer. Okay, so let's start from a part. How much they are total charge? There are two company, that name is Wacky Wheel and this one is Wheelies Rental. Okay, so the first charges for this one is 35, and then later on for every kilometer they charge 15 cents. And on the other hand, they charge 23 kilometer per hour. Okay, but there is no standard charges. Okay, like he will take $35. So 23 multiplied by so here first you will draw a graph. Okay, so the graph it will show like uh, means let's suppose anything that is happened because they start from zero because they cannot charge standard charges, but it start from 35 because first he pay $35 that are standard charges, then he take 15 cents for each time. Okay, you can see here, yeah, 15 cents but on for per kilometer. So after this per kilometer he's increase and he's like that, and the other one is start from 35 cents I think, 23 cents per kilometer. So it's moving like that. Okay, so which that is the graph. Okay, that is helpful for answer the rest of questions. Now question number two, which you want to travel 300 kilometer, which company is cheapest? Accordingly, Wacky wheel is cheapest. Why it's cheapest? Because you can see according to this graph that this one is, I think according to me, 300 kilometer. It's very cheapest as compared to other one, because let's suppose $35. Okay, Wacky wheel once he pays multiply 300 by one sorry 15 pesos. Okay, cents. So we will get 75 here. The same thing we will do here. Okay, so here we will charge 15 point sorry 150. So which one is cheapest? He, I think, always thinks to run to 300 kilometers. Which company would be cheaper to use? According to me, this one. Okay, Wacky wheel is the cheapest one as compared to the other one. I think this one is wrong, but it's up to you, because according to me this one is cheapest because it will Wacky wheel take $110 and the other one will take $115. So how much, what is the difference between these two? There is only $5 difference. Now question number 12. ABCD is the field surrounded by the fence. AB at BC and CD at DE. A goat is tied to spike X, okay, on a rope. Measuring 3 meter. A bull is trying to 8 meter rope to the top of the boost of A. Find the route from the corner D to B that would avoid both the bull and the goat. So bull is just moving from here to here, and the goat is moving from here in this place. Okay, so this is only the way if I pass from D to B. Okay, so with the help of this, you can easily find all these answers. A good way to solve the drawing scale diagram, you can scale 1.5 1 centimeter to 2 meter. The circle on the radius is 1.5 meter. Okay, for x that is goat. Okay, and the locus of the radius about e between the fence of the line AD and BC. Okay, so any path between D to E does not enter either the shaded area, which are safe to use. Okay, this patch, you can see this patch. Okay, these are the fabric design. So they will give us one side is this one and other side long length is this and width is this. Okay, so the complete area is 2.8 meters square. So there are 25 patches in each row. Write a possible expression for the width of the uh, quilt. There are 32 patches in each column. Write a possible expression for the length of quilt. First of all, uh, and these are other parts. Before we start, first you will multiply. Okay, so because you can multiply and you will get your answer. There are 25 patches. This one is first and 24 more. Okay, in each row. So the width could be this one. Okay, and it could be written like that. Okay, and B part is once you find a perimeter. Okay, so perimeter means at all sides. Okay, so its answer is 64.96, and 32 points once I or 32x if we take common. Okay, but it's not right because once we no, there are two possible answer that is written here. The two possible expressions for the area is 25x plus 75 and 64 minus 96. Okay, once we will take from here and other we will take from here. And on the other side, this one is 50 and other is 32 plus 96. So these are equal because they are both equivalent to work out. Okay, so once we will multiply to get the answer, so it's easy for you to solve this. This is 800 because 32 multiplied by 25, that is equal to 800, and the rest of them will multiply each other. Okay, like x plus 3 multiplied by 2x minus 3, so we will get answer. So with the help of this, you will solve all the remaining parts. Thank you so much. Take care. Goodbye.